Hello, my name is Tyler Wilson, the inventor of the Vortex-Star paper airplane. You might recognize this as something similar to the ring-type airplane. This has been around a lot longer than I have, but there's a problem with this one. When you throw it, you want to put a flick on it with your wrist, and as that spin slows down, it has a tendency to change its trajectory. If I threw it with my right hand, with a right-handed spin, as the spin slows down, it will change its trajectory to the left. And vice versa, if I threw it with my left hand, it would change trajectory to the right. Now, my device has this spin built in. It actually generates more spin than I am capable of putting on it with my bare hands. Therefore, it develops gyroscopic stability and flies in a much straighter line than this one ever did, allowing this one to go much further.